Hey guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and we are learning the Kotlin program. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about null safety in Kotlin. So we will discuss one by one how to save our program by the null. Okay, so what is a null? Null means suppose you are getting some list of product. In the product, some product name is missing. Then the product name will come as a null. So if any product name come as a null, it should our program will give the null pointer exception, and at that time application will get crash. So for that, Kotlin having the null safety LVS operators, and by using that we can save our program. Okay, so let's start and we'll check one by one how to save through the null, how to use null safety. Okay, so let me create one program, man. In that I am creating one string. Okay, str and casting as a string, and I'm giving the value is null. Okay, now I'm going to print. Here let me give assign another value hi. Okay, so here it is giving non null type string, not null type string. Okay, if I am going to print it here, dollar symbol str, it should be work. I don't think it will work. It will give error because here compile time error is giving because I have not casted as a null safe. Okay, so compile time error. For that, what we can do it here, we can kind of string, we having the LVS operator. Okay, so how to use the LVS operator? We need to do here one question mark. See, everything is now fine. If I'll remove this question mark, is giving me compile time error. So we use this, and later on I am changing string hi, so it should print here hi. See, it got printed hi, and suppose in that I am having hi, and at later on null pointer is coming. So what will happen here in this scenario? Let me run and check. It's printing null, but it's not giving any error. It's not getting crash application. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to use LVS operator and we'll check some more example. Okay, so first we have created this string. Let me remove this. Yeah, here we can use our Namaste Coder. Okay, this string I am using here, and I have to check the length of the string. So what I am doing, one more string I am taking str2, and here I am giving the null. Okay, let me typecast string is equal to null. Now I am going to print. Str dot length. Okay, so here it is giving me error, asking me to do null save. if I'll make it this, it will work. Either we having exclamation mark. If we use this exclamation mark, then it may get crash because your string is null. So if I am using here 2, it will get crash, I guess. See, it got crash. But if I'll use directly this question mark, then it will work. It won't get crash. Application won't get crash. See, it printed null, but it has not got crash. But if I'll use this mark, then here it will get crash. See, application getting crash, null pointer exception. So most of the time people use these things also, but I suggest you not to use this. Always use, if it is not possible, then only you can use exclamation mark. Otherwise you should use the ellipsis operator. So if I'll use here, I'll check here string to not is equal to null, then see is showing me the error. So this is no need to use now, because first step I am checking this. If it is not null, then only it should print this. So it won't give me error. Otherwise, if I want check here, let me comment this, it give me error because I am not checking the null safety. So like that we can use the null safety in Kotlin. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel.